Financial goal setting. How does that work? You have to break it down. It needs to be a step-by-step plan where you reach your top in your business or in your personal life. So let's say you just start a company or your company, or you become a partner, or you've taken a position. You have to have this idea that you will reach certain goals this month, this year, next year, and beyond. So a statement you can do. So today is, whatever the date is, and by the date, you'll be earning whatever amount it is that you're desiring to do. It's a great goal, but how do you do it? You have to have a system. You have to follow it. And that system's your goals. It's PDCA, plan, do, check, act, holding yourself accountable. You have to apply your goals each day. You have to keep in mind in your heart, the bottom line is serving others. And when you do that, you grow more. So to develop relationships, clients, people, friendships, whatever it is, relationships, keyword, it starts through connecting with people, giving, serving, marketing, social media, anything you can do. Also, when you're talking about hobby, profession, or your business, here's what you need to find out. And you need to find out if you're treating this like a business or a hobby. Um, whatever you're doing, are you going half heart or are you going all out? So if you're following your mission, your vision, your goals, your system, it's a business for you, or you're serious about your goals and accomplishing that. So use these principles to break down your larger goals into an action plan full of smaller, obtainable, daily proven, results-oriented, accountable, and transparent steps, and you'll have way more success.